We're back here today working on the 1966 R12, and we're going to be looking at the Icelandic Hitch.
Okay, what we're going to do this afternoon is cut off this Icelandic Hitch that was very popular in the late 50s and the 60s. Notice how handy it was to get at the track adjuster with this type of setup. We're going to cut these right off and weld supports here and get a bumper on the back.
Okay. So what are these here?
That's track adjuster nuts.
Okay, so
That's what tightens the tracks.
So that must have been pretty difficult with this type of
Yeah.
hitch to get in there.
These older fishermen were younger at that time and could climb in under there easy. I don't think they're that flexible now. So anyway, I'll get the torch ready and then we'll get a bit through this. Okay. Get the set up here.
Goodbye, Icelandic Hitch.
Okay, now what we'll do is we'll take the grinder, smoothen that all off so nobody hurts their hands while they're adjusting. And this hole here was for a PTO to run a auger or else a crank hole. I don't know if this one had a 6-cylinder or a V8, but when they first came out, but the older ones had a crank hole in case they wouldn't start. But I believe this was notched out for PTO on a auger.